friend, this is Shafaqat Ali and welcome to TechnicalSkillz YouTube channel. Friend, in this video I am going to show you how to install Android Studio 3.5 in a Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, open your browser and in search bar you need to type Android Studio and press enter. Open the second link, this one. You can see here Android Studio 3.5 is available for Windows 10 or any other operating system. When you scroll down at the bottom of this page, you can see system requirement. You need to install SSD hard drive in your system and use minimum 8 GB of RAM. So let's download it. Click on this download button and agree the terms and conditions, and then again click on this button. You can see here is it downloading start. I have already downloaded this file, so let's open my PC. Here you can see here is the downloaded file available. Now double click on this setup. Click on next. Now installing is started. Friends, in the previous version of Android Studio 3.3 and old versions, there is a need of JavaKit. But in Android Studio 3.4 and 5, there is no need to install this JavaKit. So I install Android Studio without this JavaKit. Click on next and finish. Now click on do not import setting. If you have already any settings you have saved in your PC, then you click on this link. Otherwise you click on do not import setting and click on OK. Now click on this next button. Select standard or any custom. I recommended to choose this theme and click on next. Here you need to download some Android components. You need a fast internet and click on finish. Here you can see downloading is start. It's around about 648 MBs. I pause the video and when it will be downloaded, then I will start the video again. Here you can see all the files are downloaded now. So click on finish. You can see Android Studio is ready to go. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.